Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2013 GMC Terrain, and in this video I will show you the power window fuses. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. Okay, so before I start showing the fuse location, I will quickly try to explain how this actually works. Both left side power windows are on one circuit, so that means that both left windows will have the same fuse, and same thing goes for the right side. So both right sided power windows will have same circuit and the same fuse. So that pretty much means if you are having problems with only one window, for example, your driver sided front window is not working, but your left sided rear window is working, then the problem is definitely not the fuse. Maybe it's the power window switch, maybe it's the power window motor, or just your window glass being stuck somewhere, or the wiring issue. Yeah, with power windows there can be lots of different problems, but first thing to check is always the fuse. Both fuses will be located under the front hood in the main fuse box, which is right here. Now to lift this cover, you'll have two black clips, one on the right side and one on the left side. So what you want to do, you want to press this clip together to unlock it and lift it straight up. And you will do the same on the other side. Once you've done that, you can remove the cover. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. And this white piece right here, it's a fuse puller which you can use to remove any of the fuses. First fuse to check will be fuse number 4, which is located right here, and it's a 30 amp fuse, and this is the fuse responsible for the power to the passengers, or for the right side power windows. So passenger front window and passenger rear window. And the second fuse to check is fuse number 15, which is in the bottom right corner, and this is the fuse responsible for power to the left sided power windows. So left front door and left rear door. So once again, this fuse and this fuse, and those are the only two fuses responsible for power windows. If your windows still don't work, then it's time to start looking into the power window switches, motors, wiring, or something like that. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.